Hello guys, I'm back with my new video. In this video I'll show you how to set up smart lock feature on your Xperia device. So what you have to do, first we'll go to settings. Here it is, settings. Then we'll go to security option. So here's security. So you can see smart lock is disabled. To enable, you can see to use, first set a screen lock. So you have to set up a screen lock. We'll go to screen lock option. I'll choose pin. So if you want, you can choose other options like pattern lock or password. So here I am choosing pin. Show all notification content. So you can see here smart lock is enabled. So I have to confirm my pin again, 3633. Yeah, continue. Yeah, so it's enabled. You can see here are the options: on body detection, keep your device unlocked while it's on you. The second option, trusted places. You can add places where it will automatically unlock. Trusted device. To unlock, you can see trusted face. Unlocked by face recognition software. And last is trusted voice. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.